Want to create sales returns directly from your phone? Busy mobile app makes it quick and effortless. Start by going to Administration, Busy mobile app. Configure mobile app. First, create a series for your sales returns. Then, move to the Manage Users tab. Select or unselect the user rights as needed. Next, head to Sync Data. The setup completes in just a few seconds. Now, open the Busy mobile app. Go to Sales Return and select the party. Enter the item details and quantity, and then save it. Sales returns made simple with Busy mobile app.